back to my channel. I hope you guys are really doing well. I know it's been a while since my last video and I miss you guys so much. So for today's video, I decided to share with you guys my birthday gift to myself. This is my Gucci Marmont bag and I really like it. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. First of all, let's look at the box. The color, the texture, and the design of this box is really nice. They did really a good job on this box. So I bought this on the Gucci website and I bought the small size, Gucci Marmont small size, because I thought it was the best fit for me after watching many reviews about this bag. Oh, look at the paper, guys. It's the same design as the box. I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but I think you can. Look at that. It is so nice. It is so nice, right? So this is the dust bag that it came with it. There's a Gucci logo on it, of course. And the texture of this dust bag is really soft and silky. It really makes me want to sleep. Some people like this heart, but to be honest, it's not really my thing. But all in all, I still love this bag. I really like the pattern of this bag, especially the double G logo on it and the tone of the gold. I really love it because, to be honest, I don't like a shiny logo. So this is how you open it. There's a clip on the bottom that you need to press and it will reveal what's inside of your bag. Ta-da. So what's inside the bag is a bunch of paper to keep the bag in shape during shipping. So what I suggest, if ever you will store the bag or just display it on your cabinet, just keep the paper on to keep it in shape. Because this type of leather is really flexible. Inside, there's a pinkish or peach color suede material on it. And there's a pocket in here that you can put your credit cards or any type of cards. I really like how the chain match on the Gucci logo, as you can see. So there's two ways to wear this bag and I will show it to you right now. So this is the first style, as you can see. And the length is right over my hip. And also I feel like this is a pretty decent length for me and for my height. So this is the second style. Pretty much is the same as the first style. It's just that I put it over on my other shoulder right here. And the length, it's by my hips or upper hip. So this is the third style and this is my favorite, which is all you have to do is to combine both of the straps together and put it on your shoulder. And yeah, there you go, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have questions about the bag, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys soon on my next video. Love you.